Okay, we're going to look at submitting your lab assignments. Uh, we've had some confusion on that in past classes. So let's take a quick look at that. All right, which lab do I do? That seems to be part of the confusion. In your lab assignment, in You Certify, just scroll down to the bottom of item 3 and you'll see the labs that are assigned. For example, 1.16 and 5.56. Okay? How do you get to the labs? Well, click on the You Certify link in the course, and a page will appear that has a launch bottom at the bottom, and you just click on launch. Now, this page comes up, and to get to the actual labs, click on Virtual Labs. When you click Virtual Labs, you're going to see a page similar to this. Just click on the one that you need to complete, like the 1.16. This is what you're going to have come up then on your computer. You got to remember that you're using a virtual machine on this, and it gives you the information on, how to do that. On the screen on the left gives you instructions on how to connect to the virtual machine. For on/connect, the machine is shown at the bottom of the screen. As per the instructions, click this link and click on/connect. Then just follow the instructions for the lab that are shown on the left of your screen. You need to manually enter your HTML in Notepad. Don't try to simply copy and paste the information. It will not work that way. Okay? So once you've completed, save the Notepad document, which is basically your HTML code, to a place where you can retrieve it. Be sure to properly name your file. Once you've completed your HTML code, save that notepad as a .txt document. You should also save it as a .png image. When you test your code that you've written, take a screenshot and save that as an image. That would be an image, a screenshot of your resulting web page. You will submit both the TXT file or a screenshot of the completed HTML and a screenshot for the resulting web page. And you're going to do this for each lab assignment. Now, some units have multiple labs, like Unit 1. I would create a folder such as Unit 3 Labs, and a folder for each lab that you have to do. For example, 1.16, save your documents and images in that appropriate file. Then both labs will be saved in the Unit 3 labs, and you can compress that folder or zip it and submit it. Okay, so that should help you with the figuring out how to access complete and submit the lab assignments.